Benefits of IT asset management. Hello and welcome back to the fresh video of the benefits of ITAM. Before we get deep into it, I will request you to recall the example I shared in the last video. I believe now you all are convinced that we naturally perform asset management in our lives. And also, we know the benefits that come along. The real benefit of IT asset management is knowing the location and utility of all equipment you have. If managed consistently and accurately, a company's IT asset management data can allow for retrospective and prospective assessments. Let's move towards decision-making of purchasing and deployment. By looking at the entire value of the purchase, businesses may select the best vendors. You should consider both pricing and product service quality and post-scale support. I'll take a pause here to reinforce the things you need to remember while making purchasing decisions. IT asset management can assist organizations to make better deployment decisions and prevent them from overspending on resources that aren't necessary. IT asset management is critical to a company's success. It brings together the company's financial, inventory, and contractual operations in one location to aid strategic decision-making regarding the use and distribution of IT-related goods amongst personnel. Now, let's understand sustainability in business. My keen learners, don't we take precautionary measures in our lives whenever it comes to health and wealth? Yes, we do. So here, it is a matter of investment of millions. It is to be expected that disasters and disruptions can occur. Top management and IT personnel use IT asset and configuration data to predict the ramifications of important business occurrences. This data will allow them to better react to service interruptions to satisfy their users. You must be thinking about the ramifications of important business occurrences. Take the example of the internet. Even now, you're using it. Billions of users around the world receive this uninterrupted service. No single entity owns the internet. It's the hierarchy of networks and their interconnected functions that give us this exquisite service. It's pretty much evident that they have their asset management intact, and it predicts ramifications of business occurrence well in time. Practically speaking, the benefits are many and far-reaching. The benefits have a long-term influence. IT infrastructures that are robust and prepared for a range of conditions can also benefit from having asset data as a component. This business strategy, also known as IT inventory management, is critical for ensuring that employees access the technology. They need to do their tasks while maximizing their assets to avoid wasting money on unnecessary equipment or software. Asset management is critical because IT assets are expensive to acquire and maintain. If employees aren't using these items, the company's money is being wasted on something that isn't needed. Consider this. Your company most certainly has an office with workstations piled high with visual screens. And these IT assets are jam-packed with all kinds of software. Software and hardware and licenses must be regularly updated, repaired, and replaced. Wouldn't it be great to know your company's IT assets? And did you have a procedure for updating this kind of data? Take it as an example that keeping track of all your laptops and warranties will help with budgeting, replacement, planning, and support. Understood? I hope the concepts are clear. Now, one more thing to keep it concise. Put your software licenses in a database to track their expiration dates. Now, let me tell all in a nutshell. IT asset management is concerned about tracking expiry dates. I hope now everything is clear regarding the decision-making of purchasing and deployment. That's it for this video. Now, in the next video, we'll cover the need for ITAM. Thank you. Stay connected for the next video.